Do you have diabetes and struggle to find delicious and healthy meal options? Look no further. In this video, we will show you some mouth-watering recipes that are not only delectable but also suitable for diabetics. Let's get started. First up, we have a flavorful grilled lemon garlic chicken. Seasoned with zesty lemon juice, aromatic garlic, and a sprinkle of herbs, this chicken dish will surely satisfy your taste buds. It's low in carbohydrates and packed with lean protein, making it an ideal option for a balanced diabetic meal. For our next dish, we present a refreshing spinach and strawberry salad. This vibrant salad combines the sweetness of ripe strawberries with the crispness of fresh spinach leaves. Topped with a tangy balsamic vinaigrette, it's a delightful combination that will elevate your dining experience. Now, let's move on to our main course, which is a delightful baked salmon with asparagus. This succulent salmon fillet is seasoned to perfection and served alongside tender roasted asparagus. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and loaded with essential nutrients, making it a heart-healthy choice for those with diabetes. If you're craving a satisfying comfort food, our next recipe is for you. We present to you a scrumptious cauliflower fried rice. This low-carb alternative replaces traditional rice with cauliflower florets, creating a nutritious and flavorful dish. Packed with colorful veggies and lean protein, it's a guilt-free way to indulge in your favorite Asian-inspired cuisine. Now, it's time for dessert. We have a delectable treat that will satisfy your sweet cravings without jeopardizing your blood sugar levels. Introducing our sugar-free apple crisp. This warm and comforting dessert is made with fresh apples, aromatic spices, and a delightful oat topping. Every bite is bursting with flavor, and you won't even miss the sugar. With these wholesome and mouth-watering recipes in your arsenal, you can enjoy delicious and diabetic-friendly meals every day. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial when managing diabetes, but it doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. So, start cooking these recipes today and take charge of your health. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes and tips on living a healthy and fulfilling diabetic lifestyle. Happy cooking!